What's up, everybody? Day 15. Couldn't every day till I get a 2026 summer internship. Guess what? I'm exhausted again. Got up at 6:30, went to work, got home at 6:30, took the Capital One OA until from 7 to 8:30, because the fucking job assessment thing or something, like, I didn't know I had to do like a pre-screening before taking the OA. Like, what the hell was that? A waste of my time. And then I took the OA. OA went well. I got all 4 correct with about 10-15 minutes left. I was really happy that I got the last one right, because I realized it was a schedule interview, or scheduling intervals question, one of those where you have to make it into an events type of thing, and then that type of problem. But I wasn't recognizing it, and then I finally clicked, and I felt very happy. I checked the lead code daily. That shit looks really annoying, like segment tree and some binary search shit. I'm not gonna lie, I don't want to do that right now. So as such, I won't. And instead, I'm going to simply do a neat code, take it chill today. Tomorrow, I will probably work a little bit on it in the embedded project, because I don't have an OA to take. Shit, I do. I technically have IMC to take. But I'll probably do that this weekend, because I'm probably not going to get IMC, so I don't really care. So yeah, that's enough yap. It's been fucking 2 straight minutes of yapping. Let's see. Technically, I've never implemented a try, so maybe we learn how to do this. I know what a try is, but why not implement one? Okay, so what the fuck will this actually have? Maybe a root? What is the root of a try? So it's just an empty string. That makes sense. Okay, so we're gonna need to also make a class for a node. Class node that has a self, and this init is going to take self val and then children. Is that what a node's gonna have? Yeah. Does it have a left and a right? No, but a try can have... It should probably have, an array. Of nodes, maybe? I don't know if I love that. But I'm thinking an array of size 26. Something like this. I don't know if I need to do this, but whatever. Self.val equals val, self.children equals children. I don't hate that. So our root will be a node. Yeah. Okay. So obviously the base of a try is that we're going to go for C and word. We're going to go char by char. Node equals self.root. So for C in Word, we're needing to make a node at the ORD difference between that and A. Is all lowercase? Yeah, cool. Okay. So node.children at ORD, or index equals ORD A, ORD C, minus that. Oh, please. Equals a node. I think I'm simply just never gonna have children actually, so delete till there. None times 26. Node with a val equals a C. That's but if not node children at end equals that, and then node equals I think I like this. Yeah. Yeah, sure. Do I need a way of indicating if like it's a terminator as well? Huh. How am I going to do that? Because fundamentally, how do I differentiate these two? I'm going to need my node to have some attribute. The terminate. Terminated equals false. Something like this. Do I like that? I think so. Because then what we what can we do here? Definitely am hating this implementation, but it's my own. Hating this more and more. Ah, but I'm gonna have this issue again. It's definitely an implementation thing that I can figure out, but for now I will get around it in a very hacky way of doing the same thing of this. For here, turn node dot terminate. Is this even real? I don't know. This shouldn't get here. This you can just take this logic, but ignore the terminated thing. What type of issues do we have here? I always forget whether it was they're supposed to go first or last. Wait, children shouldn't even be a variable. How is word not defined? What if I disagree? Prefix. So insert. Ah, these should be false. I wish there was a nice way of printing all this. Brother. It's definitely this dumbass way I'm setting the terminated. 100%. Yeah, you want to see that gamer move? Fucking print the dict. Okay, so this terminated is getting set correctly, actually. Like, this just should be at -1. Kinda don't understand why. Huh? This is your tech stack that you're learning? No tech stack right here. This is just Python. Okay, so searches for Apple. But we're getting the L here. And that does not make much sense to me. Yeah, see, it's E. Ah, ha ha ha. What if we just move this up? Yeah, some data structures. True, false, true, null. So the search for app is just wrong. Ah, I understand. Because we could be terminating. This is the worst implementation. Maybe ever. But alas, we can actually delete that now. Get out a little bit. That's insane this works. This is the worst written thing I've ever done. But in a way, kind of fucking beautiful out of me. I guess, yeah, I didn't need a val. I guess I just never activated that, but whatever. Yeah, that's much better. Whatever, we got there. With some fucked logic, of course, but we did get there. I'm proud of this. So, cleanup is this, is actually to take that out. Don't need that, don't need that, don't need that, don't need that. Do need this. And then no dot. Yeah. Yeah, okay, this makes a lot more sense actually than what the fuck I was doing. Okay. Happy with this. Alright, guys. Another quick stream, mostly because I took an OA and went to work, so I've done 6 lead codes today, and a full day of work, and 2 job applications. What's up, John? I apologize, I'm heading out and heading to bed. But I got 100 on the OA for Capital One. I greened it. So, happy with that. Happy the progress is starting to show. Yeah, I'm sorry, I'm exhausted though, so I'm gonna go head to bed. Hope you had a wonderful day. Hope you have a wonderful rest of your night. What is the OA? It was probably 1 easy, 2 mediums, 1 hard, or pseudo hard, like a hard medium for Capital One. But yeah, all right. For the rest of you, connect with me on LinkedIn if you haven't. Join the Discord if you haven't. Yeah. Hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. I need sleep. And I'll see you tomorrow for day 16. Yeah.